Hello, my name is Wolfgang Jaksch, CEO of MediConsult. First of all, thank you for choosing the MRS2000 Plus designo. In the next couple minutes, I would like to give you a brief explanation how to install and activate your system at home. The MRS2000 Plus designo is available in two different versions, Home or Med. The Home version contains of the following items: the control unit, the power plug, the applicator mat, and the applicator pillow or cushion. The Med version comes in addition with the applicator probe. To successfully set up your MRS2000 Plus designo system, please do the following steps. First of all, plug the jack of the applicator mat in the appropriate socket on the backside of the control unit. Please repeat this step with the applicator cushion or pillow, and in case you've chosen the MRS2000 Plus designo Med version, please repeat the step with the applicator probe. Please make sure that the chip card is plugged in the right socket on the backside of your control unit. The optional available Sound Light Relax system can be either combined with the Home or the Med version. The appropriate sockets can be found on the backside of your control unit. Finally, connect the power plug with the appropriate socket on the backside of your control unit and the wall socket nearby. Now your MRS2000 Plus designo system is ready to use. Switch on the device by pressing the power key on the operating and display panel. After the switching on process has been completed, the system runs a system check to check the correct functioning of the device, the display, as well as the applicators connected, and also displays these functions. If the display flashes green, this means that the applicator has not been connected at all or connected properly. A red display on the applicator display means that the applicator concerned is not functioning correctly or connected to the wrong socket. To operate the device, first select the appropriate applicator using the selection key. In the case of the applicator cushion or pillow and the applicator probe, this triggers the selection of a fixed specific program for local applications. If you decide to use the applicator mat, you can choose from a number of application programs depending on the time of day. All numbers are shown in military time: 5 to 10 in the morning, 10 to 15 midday, 15 to 20 afternoon and early evening, 20 to 5 late evening and nighttime. You select the program using the plus-minus keys for program selection. Now select the duration of the application using the plus-minus keys of the time selection key. You can choose between 8, 16 and 24 minutes. Using the plus-minus keys on the intensity selection key, you can select the required intensity of the electromagnetic vibration. This can be set to the levels sensitive, 10, 25, 50, 100, 150, and 200. The MRS2000 Plus designo Med also has an additional level of 400. The application can be started now by pressing the Start-Stop key. The start of the application is signaled by a double signal sound. The digital display indicates the remaining time of the application. The polarity of the magnetic field is shown on this display. The electromagnetic vibrations can be recognized by the rhythmic flashing of the control lights of the intensity display. A triple signal sound indicates the end of the program. After the application period has finished, the device automatically switches into standby mode. After remaining in standby mode for approximately 2 to 4 minutes, the system switches off automatically. Please remind, drink a glass of water before and after the application. Finally, we would like to show you several possibilities of applications with the MRS2000 Plus designo. Please always remember, there are over 30,000 illnesses in the world, but there is only one health. And that's what I wish you with all my heart. Thank you.